Oh yeah. But yeah, so we're just out in nature, and I was just chatting with the crew here. Just about like during the week when you get stressed, and whether it's work, whether it's other things that kind of stress you out, like getting out into nature is sort of like a little reset button. It's kind of cool, like you just kind of get out amongst it. I was kind of wondering like why, like how it resets us and stuff, because I don't know. No, it's still going. It's still going. I don't know. I feel like we're always constantly trying to like feeling like we need to grow and meet up to a certain standard and hit targets throughout the week and all this shit. But like get out into nature, and nature has none of that. Nature just is like it just does its thing, and you know, it doesn't really. I don't know, the only pressures it feels are the weather and gravity and whatever else is around, and it just goes with it, just rolls with it, you know? So I feel like it's kind of just where that reset button comes from, is just you get out into this like settled state, like nature is just so settled. So yeah, if you're feeling stressed, get out into nature, right lads?
For sure.
Hell yeah. I'm definitely feeling gravity. Especially
well,
down hills.
Yeah, we got Ricky doing all the work here, so.
I figure downhill's easy enough. I take out the bottom.
It's surprising how little everyone gets out though. Like to your point, you just need to like actually sometimes drop tools and just get out and go hang out.
Well, it's like, yeah, you forget that that's kind of a reset button that you can have and use. Like, I don't know.
Don't try to go there either.
Well, yeah, like last week I was stressing over the weekend about writing and not meeting my deadline, and maybe 5 minutes down the road I get down and just tack in a beach and just look out to the ocean, and again it's like another reset. It's kind of cool. Sure. Get amongst it.